We are looking at how to pronounce this famous phrase, supposedly quoted from Julius Caesar or Julius Caesar. So how do you pronounce it? Well, there are at least two main different ways on how to say it, and there's always a bit of a debate on which one is the correct one. Now in English, this is generally said as Veni, Vidi, Vici, meaning we came, we saw, and we conquered, or we won. Veni, Vidi, Vici, which is pretty much the modern Italian way of saying it as well. Now, in Latin, normally it is acknowledged that the letter V is normally pronounced like a W in English, and the letter C is pronounced like a K. So the Latin academic pronunciation is as Veni, Vidi, Vici. Veni, Vidi, Vici in Latin, or in English, Veni, Vidi, Vici. And now you know it all. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting expressions from Latin that many get wrong. You won't after watching those. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.